I film on Sundays so you can get the update on Mondays. It is Sunday, April 13th, and it's time for a garden update. If this is your first time to the channel, my name is Dean and I grow my own food indoors, trying to inspire other people to grow their own food. This is 45 heads of lettuce in a DIY NFT hydroponics system. And the pH is sitting at 6.4, water temperature 75 degrees. And my ppms are sitting about 625. Now if you remember, I bought this baby eggplant from the hardware store, rinsed off the roots, and we put it in some nutrient water, Kratky style. And this is what she looks like 7 days later. This is my dwarf tomato experiment. Same seeds, planted at the same time, then transferred. I put some in Kratky, and then I planted some in Ocean Forest Fox Farm soil. And you can see the ones in the Kratky system are just blowing away the ones in the soil. But don't count your chickens before they hatch, because the experiment's not over yet. Far from it. This is the mini NFT system. It's nice and clean, and now we're ready to plant something in it. These are the cucumber seedlings in a wicking bucket. I did harvest this spring onion in last week's video. We'll see if we can get another harvest out of these. I'm sure we can. So don't forget to catch an update garden video every Monday. And if you enjoyed this video, please watch another one. And thanks for watching.